Here's my favorite SUV in my favorite color with my favorite trim level. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2022 Nissan Rogue SL Premium. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's just like new. It's got low miles, and y'all, it's loaded with it all. Rear park assist sensors, chrome rear bumper protector, lots and lots of cargo room, Nissan's hide and divide cargo management system, an optional cargo mat, power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler, 19-inch alloy wheels with a great set of tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear heating and air controls, as well as USB charging ports in the back of the center console. It's boulder gray metallic with charcoal leather interior, factory roof rack, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights, front park assist. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, leather bucket seats, dual power seats, embroidered floor mats, illuminated kick plates, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seats, blind spot warning in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert, power lift gate controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise control. Only 20,000 well cared for, 1 owner miles. Awesome Bose sound system. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera with that really cool around view monitor. Factory navigation. Dual zone climate control. Heated seats, driver and passenger. Heated steering wheel. Push button start. More USB ports. A 12-volt outlet. Console shifter. Electronic parking brake. Keyless entry key fob including hatch release and remote start, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, universal garage door opener located in your auto dimming rear view mirror, and those power panoramic moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2022 Nissan Rogue SL Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.